Alright traders, this is late recording for mini S&P futures 500, the left chart over here, for September contract 2020. Today is 26th of June 2020. We're on live day trading. Time now is 10:53 New York time in the morning, and Chicago time is 9:53 a.m. So this is live trading. I have sent out my signal a while ago, but unfortunately I cannot record it live because I'm also trading crude oil. I'm recording for crude oil. You can check my crude oil video. So because both cannot record it simultaneously, so we have for today, this is today's signal 26, short at 1319.25 and targeted TP at 1308.5. We have a profit about about 11 points, which is about 44 ticks. Alright, so order fill and have we hit the TP. So already hit the TP. So let's go back to the chart to see. Alright, so my entry is the one with this triangle, as you can see. This can triangle, sorry, this purple triangle over here. Let me make it a smaller chart. So the purple triangle over here as an entry, and then exit at this green triangle. So 11 points, 44 ticks. So we have a total profit of 2,100 US dollar, because I'm trading 3 mini S&P futures account. About that, yeah, there's also losses earlier. So the final amount is 2,100. So for crude oil, one lot 250. Just now, if you watch the video, everything's live over there. Just go to my channel, there's a playlist, just check on it. Alright, this video will not be long. There's a link below in the description to join my live Telegram channel. Feel free to click on it, and have a nice weekend. Thank you. Bye bye.